Welcome back. Today I will be teaching you how to create beautiful lived-in curls with the diffuser and hairdryer. You can use this styling trick with all haircuts and lengths. We start with cleansed and conditioned hair. I have prepared the hair with sea salt spray, thoroughly saturating the hair and massaging the product into the cuticle. I elevate my client's head back, comfortably resting their nape on the top of the chair. I place my hand under the length of the hair. Using my hand as a board, I elevate the section of hair up. This allows the root area to dry with maximum curl, as the weight of the hair isn't stretching the curl out. I have my hairdryer on full heat and full speed, focusing my airflow down the cuticle. The same as when we're blow drying with a round brush. This will help to avoid any unwanted frizz. With this diffuse style, I'm wanting to achieve maximum curl activation with minimal root volume. We focus on the roots first, then with lengths to ends. If you wanted maximum volume, we could direct the roots back, the same as when we blow dry. With the bangs, we dry the roots forward and down, and then elevate the fringe on top of my hand to help create maximum curl activation. When the fringe is close to being dry, I use my fingers to gently direct the bangs up into the hairline. I continue to dry until 100% dry, continuing to direct the airflow down to avoid frizz. I'm now using my index finger and thumb to elevate the hair to continue to allow the airflow into the root area. If you've liked this tutorial and you'd like to see more like it, let me know in the comments below. And if you value my work, please smash the like and subscribe icons. I'd really appreciate it. To dry the nape, I direct my client's head forward, using my fingers to move the hair from side to side to allow the airflow through to the root area. With modern curly textured lived-in styles, we aren't looking to create ringlet curls. We are wanting more undone, effortless beauty. When the hair is 100% dry, I complete the style with a shakeout, using my hands to massage the scalp to dress and style the curls. Subscribe to my channel to watch more amazing hairdressing tutorials, and if you like this haircut, you should watch this next.